Tesla is leveraging user input to feed the neural net and machine learning models in solving Autowipers by just using vision. By this method, you can now increase Tesla Autowipers sensitivity and Autopark can be done in smaller spaces. This is the part of update 2024.14. This update says Tesla is not adjusting Autowiper sensitivity if the driver presses the wiper button. Before update, Tesla Autopark is not able to park in smaller spaces. This is Tesla's vision-based Autopark, which have been rolled out to US vehicle and non-US vehicle. According to previous update, Autopark required a parking space with at least 7.2 feet and in meter it will be 2.2 meter wide. And with new update which says that vehicle can detect and park in any space for Model Y 6.3 feet, Model S and X it can be parked in 6.5 feet and Cybertruck it can be parked in 6.5 feet.